Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the Cub Cadet Ultima, the new ZT1 42IP series zero-turn mower. So first off, if you look, the Cub Cadet Ultima series typically been all yellow. So this has a nice grayed out floor plan. Give it a little different look. Still growing on me, but just a little bit different. But it is the same chassis as the rest of the Ultima line. But they really set out to come out with something a little more value orientated. So the Ultima has been a great machine, but for somebody looking at an entry level machine, still provide the same value that the Ultima provides, but a little lower cost. So like I say, you still get the same chassis, the same drive, use the 42-inch stamped steel mower deck. Took a few things off to cut some of the cost. No headlights, doesn't have the rubber floor mat, a little different seat. And the big thing is they went to this IntelliPower 547cc fuel-injected engine. It is a single cylinder, which a lot of the other machines you'll notice are twin cylinders. But what they've done is this IntelliPower is digitally controlled, so it monitors the conditions that you're mowing in. So it gives you up to 18% more power. So when you get into that thick, lush grass, without you even noticing it, it's going to adjust that power. You don't have that droop like you do with a lot of engines. So it's got a lot of power for a small engine. So it's still going to get the job done for you. So they've really done a nice job with making a nice entry-level machine, great value, but still getting that quality and performance that you expect from the Cub Cadet Ultima series. Just want to touch base. This is the same thing. This is a ZT1 42IP. So this is really the same thing with the synchro-steer technology. So like the rest of the Ultima line, this has all the same features as the ZT1 42IP, but with the steering wheel, instead of driving with the levers, you control with the steering wheel. So for people that maybe just aren't comfortable with a lap bar machine, but really the big thing is it's more stable on hillsides. Because your front wheels turn to help support you on the hill. So this is available on the IP series, still a great value, still that same great synchro steer technology. So I just wanted to introduce the new IP series in the Ultima line. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.